Hello everyone, this is Allison Price with The Infused Life, and I am here today to show you how to make your own homemade fabric softener. Because look, let's face it, if it's not already a red flag for you that when you walk down the laundry aisle at the store, the aroma is overwhelming, and that's coming from sealed packages. Red flag number one. But look, fabric softener is just filled with toxins and chemicals and junk that you do not want to expose yourself to. So when you're consciously working on reducing your toxic load, fabric softener should be one of the first things to go. And it's so easy to make your own. You can quit conventional fabric softener cold turkey, I promise. So when we're using these conventional fabric softeners, it should be another red flag that by the end of the day or the second time you wear that piece of clothing, it still has an overwhelming aroma of that fabric softener. But really all it's doing is leaving a film of chemicals on your clothes. Then you put those clothes on, they're pressing against your body all day long, and your skin is essentially absorbing those chemicals off of your clothing from your fabric softener and toxic overloading you, okay? So let me show you how simple it is to make your own fabric softener. All you need is white vinegar, a jar to store it in. I love to use my canning jars, and essential oils. So white vinegar is just acetic acid, and basically what it's doing is it's removing any leftover detergent or mineral deposits that are happening during your wash cycle, and it helps to soften your clothing. The essential oils are what is going to give it aroma. Now I'm going to forewarn you, it's not going to be as strong of an aroma as your conventional fabric softeners, but that's okay. That's the way it should be. It should just be a nice, gentle aroma that you get a whiff of. It doesn't stick around for days. That's how it should be. So all you do is you fill your jar of choice with white vinegar and essential oils. The basic staple recipe is going to be 16 ounces of white vinegar to 10 drops of essential oil. Now, I just did this video once already, so I've already filled my jar. This is a 32 ounce jar of canning jar, and so I do like to go a little bit heavy on my essential oils for aroma. So I add about 20 drops. One of my favorite combinations is lavender and bergamot. Smells delicious. The only oils I would caution against are oils that have a very deep color, natural coloring to themselves, like blue tansy and vetiver. Other than that, you really can't go wrong. And that's not to say that blue tansy and vetiver wouldn't work, but I've never tried them and I probably wouldn't. So other than that, pick your favorite aroma with your essential oils, add in your white vinegar, shake it before you use it, and you want to use a 1/4 cup for every full load of laundry you do. And you can either add this in to the fabric softener drawer of your washer if you have one, or if you don't, like me, because you still have a older model washer, then just pour it in during the rinse cycle. And if you can't remember to do that, get one of those magical fabric softener balls at the store where you pour it in there, you add it at the beginning of your wash cycle, and somehow it magically remembers or knows how to release itself during your rinse cycle. So that's it. Super simple. How to make your own homemade fabric softener. And if you would like my list of top essential oil choices to use when you're making your own non-toxic DIY cleaning supplies, check out the link in the caption so that you can sign up to get that list from me. Thanks everybody, and have a great week.